Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Jupiter, rules Sagittarius, sub-ruler Pisces, exaltation Cancer, detriment Gemini, fall Capricorn, responsible, knowledge, digestion, married, Jif, first letter of the Greek spelling for the god Zeus, represents, benevolent, protective urge, anatomy, arterial blood, circulation, the liver, thighs, hips, feet, right ear, upper forehead, glycogen and fatty tissues, pancreas. Keyword, expansion, general, rules wealth, leisure time, big business, the higher mind, optimism, height, growth, morality, prosperity and indulgence. Also higher education, philosophic reasoning, aspirations, sports, luck, long-distance travel, hunting and fondness for animals. Jupiter is the judge, the lawmaker and the helper. In earlier times Jupiter was known as the greater benefic. Jupiter's action is orderly and promotes health and growth. Where you find Jupiter in the horoscope is where you often have good fortune and like to spend your leisure time. Ninth house, it mean there. It shows more distant places. Religion, philosophy, superconscious mind, long trips, laws, in-laws. Natural sign is Sagittarius. Natural ruler is Jupiter. Keyword is aspiration. Ninth house is a house of life and fire. Quality is Cadent house. General. This house shows your higher mind, superconsciousness. The ninth house indicates your religion, law, science, ideals, higher learning, philosophy, psychology, deep spiritual research, dreams and visions. And this house shows distant tourism, foreigners, foreign transactions, commerce, big business, imports and exports. It shows that the church is a spiritual element, cleric, in-law, grandchildren, intuition, morality and public opinion in general. This house shows the lessons we learn through life. Jupiter in the ninth house. Jupiter is also in the ninth house of your ranking, which means that international events carry a certain fascination, question your worldview and provide endless food for thought. You are interested in the international economy and politics, religions and cultures of other countries, archaeological finds that reveal the ways of life of ancient civilizations, and amazing overseas natural wonders. You like to travel overseas to get to know the sights of other countries, but you also like to study at a college or university. It is likely that you will attract happiness on your travels. You are full of your own philosophical and religious ideals, but you also like to keep an open mind. You are a wise man, basically optimistic about the future of the world. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.